Yeah, so this is really, there's some arguments I make, and I think it seems to resonate with people I think we live in a world where we're constantly being told that everyone should be a leader, everyone should be a winner, everyone should be seeking excellence, and in a way it's this, what I call this relentless language of superiority and comparison. We're constantly being told that we should be wanting to be better, and also to want more at the same time. And I think this is what intrigues me. And premium is particularly interesting to me because I think it's not about being the best. It is just about having something a little bit better, and preferably something better than other people have got. And it sort of just occurs to me that what kind of message is that for us? I mean, and what does that do to us that and premium I think is even more common than elite actually. I think this really is everywhere. I've actually got one of my favorite examples is the premium tomatoes from New Zealand that I saw in a grocery store in Auckland some years ago. And it's everything and everywhere. And I'm like, so what does it mean then when we are being taught to be always looking for something a little bit better? And we're prepared to pay money for it. That's part of the game that marketers say, is that if something is sold to us as premium, we're persuaded, oh, well, it must be better. So it works for them as a sort of profit generator, and I get that. But I'm more interested as a sociolinguist in what is this relentless messaging about being better and wanting something better than everybody else? Where does that leave us as a kind of, almost like as a psychological impact, as it were?
Yeah, the airline's about it as well, but that one doesn't seem to have crossed over to ordinary life. You don't go to the airline hotel, do you, or take an heirloom seat on an airline?
Although it's in a way it's part of the same sort of language game of just constantly, obviously all of marketing hinges on distinction, everything that you want to make your product look distinct from someone else's. And in that sense it's completely banal and uninteresting. But I think it's these words that really do make these claims to superiority and social comparison that for me just are doing a different kind of work in the world.
I'm talking to Professor Kristen Turzo from the University of Bern. He's a sociolinguist, and we're talking about the impact of the increased use of words like elite, premium, luxury, probably another one, and you've formed a TED talk called Why You Should Embrace Mediocrity, and that seems to have struck a nerve. Why do you think that is?
Okay, so I want to quickly say that the title was initially Embracing Mediocrity, ? This is a real trigger for people, and it was when I first started